Another day, just believe. Another day, I'm used to it by now. Just believe.
So the market just opened. What I like to do is I like to give it about 15 minutes before I place my first trade. I kind of like to see where levels are reacting. So first 15 minutes, I either watch the market just a little bit or I refill my cup of coffee. Take a break off the screens as I just spent the first 45 minutes charting levels and seeing how overnight session reacted to the levels I had preset before. Anyways, I'm looking forward to today. It's gonna be a great day. First day of the challenge. Let's go. Started off the day with a 3-point loss, which was about $45, $50. This was just complete FOMO. This was complete just breaking my rules and not being patient. There's no excuse for this. But I loved what I saw from the buyers after that large red candle. They really showed support. So I found me a new entry right off the 9 EMA. I really love playing these bounces off 9 EMAs on a smaller time frame. As you can see here, I found myself a nice entry, made up those losses, and let runners run. Although I did not let them run as much as I wanted them to, I felt like I played this decently as I was seeing major resistance here at the pre-market high, the open range high. So I kind of put my stops in a little early. Didn't really let this trade breathe as much as I wanted to. That's the lesson of the day though. Being more patient with the trades that I'm in. I need to be 100% confident in letting these trades play out and breathe. As we can see here, the one runner that I leave went up 9 points. So if I would have held at least one more, this would have been a golden trade. Either way, I'm not too mad about it. I took profit. Like I said, I can't be greedy. With prop firms, it's extremely hard to let runners run because at some point, if it comes down, the drawdown also follows you when it's up and down. Kind of sucks. Yeah, not gonna lie, rewatching this, it kind of hurts. I wish I would have kept another runner on because this was a nice little breakout. I was really hoping this would happen a little sooner, but you know, it is what it is. I took profit. But in trading, you know, it's hard to catch 100% of the move. As long as I get some sort of piece of it, I'm okay with it. I just really wish I would have been more patient with at least two of the runners. As you can see, the previous trade, not a bad exit. It sold off back into the supply zone. This gave me another shot at a 9 EMA bounce. As you can see, I missed my entry by almost a tick, and that would have given me a nice little entry. Again, I wasn't patient. I moved my entry up about a point. When just a few seconds later, went back to my initial entry, 56.18. It's okay, it's all right. We move forward. I really like this trade. It really worked out well, but again, I wasn't patient with letting it breathe. Lesson of the day: be confident in the trade, be confident in the entry, be patient with it, let it breathe, and let it work itself out. Boom, from -50 to up 60. Overall, not a bad day. Not my best day, could have been a lot more patient, but I had my 3 trades. 1 losing trade, 2 winning trades, knock out that loser and get a little more profits in the pocket. Best part about this is I don't think about it at all. Afterwards, I go straight to the gym. Did all I could, market gave me what it wanted to give me. My mind capacity is at the max for my trades, so it's time I go work it out. Let's go.
So got me down, I ain't go to class. I'd rather die before I come in last. I ain't felt like this in a long time. I ain't felt like this in a long time. I ain't had shit in a long time. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to look like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to look like this, it took a long time.
So I think lesson of the day today was 100% learning to be patient and confident in my trades that I take. I think my biggest thing that I have a problem with when I first start these PA accounts is wanting to be positive and not getting the job done on the very first day of trading. Make that such a big deal. I think I put pressure on myself to make sure it happens. And in that pressure, it just fills my brain of trying to be perfect in the entry, trying to be perfect in everything else, when in reality I should just trade. Just enter, exit, take my stop, allow the trade to do its thing. Other than that, honestly, overcoming the $50 loss at first was a great accomplishment. I was actually really happy with that. When I get down off the very first trade and it's a stop, I used to let it bother me in my head, and I think it's super important to be able to learn how to trade right after a loss. I think in trading, losses are gonna happen. It's unavoidable. You're gonna have losses in your trading career. And I think being able to overcome the first loss of the day, especially your first trade, if it's a loss, you gotta be able to overcome that, walk away for a little, give yourself time to reset, show up, see the market clearly, no emotions, let it go. I think the biggest advice I've ever received from a mentor is trade like a robot. The hardest thing is we're human. It's natural for emotions, especially losing. We don't want to lose. We don't want to be wrong. It's normal. Overall, good day. $62 in all 10 accounts. Nowhere near my daily goal, but it's all right. We're green, and green is great, baby. Green is great. Let's go get this run. I'm gonna go run. Gonna go decompress for the night. It's about 7 o'clock. Gonna do about 3 miles. I love to run in the afternoon. It gets my mind off of the market, gets my mind off of the day, gets me ready to go to bed and sleep through the whole night. Let's go. Day 1 of the challenge. We're up $600 something. Let's go.
Just to look like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to look like this, it took a long time, yeah.
Stop through. I've been to Atlanta.
Most definitely been.
With who?
No got me down, I ain't go to class. I'd rather die before I come in last.